Hello everybody. Today we're going to take out the hard drive of an Aspire R1600. First thing you want to do is take out this screw from the bottom. Once the screw is removed, you want to set it up right. Usually you want to use a flathead. Stick it in between and pop out the front cover. Once the front cover is off, you want to take the fan and unplug it. Once the fan's unplugged, you want to take the fan out by unscrewing these 3 screws. Now that the fan's gone, you want to take off the heat plate by unscrewing these 4 screws. Now it's time to unscrew the motherboard from this back part by these 4 screws. Now that all the screws are out, you want to move these out of the way and gently pull out the motherboard. Now that the motherboard's out, you want to flip it over and unscrew these 4 screws. Now that those 4 screws are out, the hard drive simply pulls out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.